What is a balanced meal for weight loss?
A balanced meal for weight loss provides a mix of protein, fiber-rich carbohydrates, healthy fats, and plenty of non-starchy vegetables. This combination helps control hunger, supports energy, and delivers essential nutrients while managing calories. Focusing on whole, minimally processed foods is key to feeling full and satisfied, which makes sticking to your weight management goals much easier.
How do you build a healthy plate?
Divide your plate visually. Half with non-starchy vegetables, like leafy greens or broccoli. 1/4 with lean proteins such as chicken, fish, or tofu. And the other quarter with whole grains or starchy veggies, like brown rice or sweet potatoes. Add a small serving of healthy fats, like a drizzle of olive oil or a few nuts, to boost satisfaction and flavor.
What role do portion sizes play?
Portion control is crucial for weight loss. Eating the right amounts helps you reduce calorie intake without feeling deprived. Use smaller plates, measure servings when possible, and pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Balancing food groups on your plate ensures you get nutrients while keeping portions and calories in check.
How can you stay full and energized?
To avoid hunger and energy slumps, include protein and fiber at every meal. These nutrients slow digestion, keep you feeling full longer, and prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Combine options like beans, eggs, fish, or low-fat dairy with vegetables and whole grains for balanced, satisfying meals.
What about treats and eating out?
You don't need to eliminate every indulgence for weight loss success. Plan occasional treats or meals out by making balanced choices. Opt for grilled over fried, add extra veggies, and watch portion sizes. Mindful eating and moderation allow flexibility, helping you enjoy the process and stay consistent long-term.